Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on cleaning the Lenovo Legion 15 ACH6. To start, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, microfiber cloths, and a can of compressed air. Ensure you are working on a static-free surface and have your laptop powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the battery. Locate the screw securing the battery cover on the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove it, then gently lift the battery out. Next, unscrew the back panel. There are multiple screws to remove, so keep track of each one as you go. For ease, you might want to use a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, carefully pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Make sure to run the tool along the edges gently to avoid damaging the casing. As you lift the panel, be cautious of any cables attached to it. Now, let's focus on cleaning the internal components. Using the can of compressed air, blow out dust and debris from the fans and heatsinks. This step is crucial in preventing overheating. If you notice any stubborn dust, use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe it away. Remember, if you're hesitant about doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, we will replace the thermal paste. This is vital for optimal heat transfer. Carefully remove the heatsink by unscrewing it from the motherboard. Once removed, you'll find the old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. Use the microfiber cloth to clean off the old paste thoroughly. Apply a small, pea-sized dot of new thermal paste to the center of each chip. Reattach the heatsink, ensuring it's securely fastened. After you've reassembled everything, it's essential to check all connections and ensure nothing is loose. If you find this process too daunting, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Finally, replace the back panel and screw it back into place, followed by the battery. Power on your laptop and monitor its performance. If you notice any issues or if you'd prefer a professional to handle it, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We prioritize your convenience with no calls and no travel required, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Thank you for watching this tutorial on cleaning your Lenovo Legion 15 ACH6. Following these steps will help maintain your device in top shape, prolonging its lifespan. Happy gaming! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.